Imagine a world teeming with life, a symphony of creatures unlike anything we see today. Now picture that same world, but with a glaring silence where a voice once boomed, a space empty where fins once flashed. We will start with the ivory-billed woodpecker. Ivory-billed woodpeckers were the largest woodpeckers in North America. They were about 18 to 20 inches long with a wingspan of 30 to 31 inches. They had long, pale bills that enabled them to strip bark from trees to access beetle larvae, their primary food source. Their bodies were black, with 2 white stripes down their necks. This bird species has faced significant controversy in terms of its extinction. Although condemned to extinction about 50 years ago, a video emerged in 2005 with reports of sightings of this bird in an Arkansas swamp forest. However, some suggested that the tape showed a similar-looking woodpecker, the pileated woodpecker, which is native to North America. In 2021, the US government moved to declare this species extinct. But according to new research that has yet to be peer-reviewed, the ivory-billed woodpecker may still be present in the US. Another lost animal is Spixs' macaw. If you've seen the animated movie Rio, then you already have an idea of what this bird looks like. Blue, the main protagonist in the movie, is a Spixs' macaw. This bird is also known as the little blue macaw, and its bright blue color makes it stand out in the wild. The Spixs' macaw was found in Brazil. However, it's now extinct in the wild, according to the IUCN. That means the Spixs' macaw is no longer in its natural habitat, but there are a little over 100 in captivity. Their extinction in the wild stems from practices like deforestation and the illegal pet trade. Captive breeding programs are looking to increase the population of this species and reintroduce them to their natural habitat. Next, we will discuss baiji, sometimes called the Chinese river dolphin, is a pale blue-gray dolphin that grew up to 8 feet long. For about 20 million years, the Yangtze River in China was the baiji's home. You could identify this dolphin by its long, narrow beak and tiny eyes that sat in a higher position on its head. Baiji dolphins were also quiet and would actively avoid boats. The baiji holds the record as the first dolphin species to be driven into extinction by human activity. In 2006, scientists did a thorough survey and couldn't find evidence of the species. However, the baiji now has the conservation tag of being possibly extinct, according to the IUCN in 2017. The baiji's decline can be attributed to environmental damage to the Yangtze River due to dam construction, river pollution, overfishing, and boat traffic. Up next, we will talk about western black rhinoceros. The western black rhinoceros was the rarest of the black rhinoceros species. Contrary to its name, this rhino subspecies had a dark gray color. Like other rhino species, they were big and bulky. You could identify them by their 2 horns. They were distributed around grasslands in West and Central Africa, and they could move fast and change directions quickly. Although they had poor sights, they had heightened senses of hearing and smell. Unfortunately, these unique characteristics couldn't save them. The extinction of these rhinos was mainly a result of human intervention. Due to big profits from horn trading, they became victims. Poachers would kill these animals for their horns. People would then use these horns for decorations or in traditional Chinese medicine. In 2000, there were only 10 of these rhinos left. Finally, researchers declared them extinct in 2011. Lastly on our list is Pinta Island tortoise. As its name suggests, the Pinta Island tortoise is a subspecies of the Galapagos tortoise that's native to Ecuador's Pinta Island. The gentle giant loved eating greens and cactus pads, and he slept for up to 16 hours a day. Unfortunately, despite being able to survive for up to 6 months without food or water, the Pinta Island tortoise couldn't make it. The species became a source of fresh meat for fishermen and sailors, and by the end of the 19th century, it was hunted to the point of extinction. But then something magical happened. A lone male was discovered in 1971, named Lonesome George. Researchers had hope, but despite their best efforts to get him to reproduce with other subspecies of giant tortoises, he died of natural causes in 2012 at over 100 years old. With his death, the species was officially declared extinct. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about recently extinct animals, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Remember, every creature lost is a reminder of the importance of conservation efforts.